Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we enable guys auto rotate mode setting in a Tecno phone device. After enable guys how can we use today friends I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we enable auto rotate mode setting. So friends, first of all open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Friends, click on phone display and brightness. Tap here. Friends, you can see this type of setting. I scroll it. Friends, you can see auto rotate screen means guys auto rotate mode setting. We will enable from right side. And friends, now time to check how to use it. Friends, open your Play Store and guys you can own any app and friends you can rotate your screen like that. And friends, you can use this auto screen setting guys. So like that guys, we can enable auto screen mode setting guys and we can use in a Tecno phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you've understood how to enable auto rotate mode setting guys and how to use it. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.